Okay, bun, come through. Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a hair review from Nadula Hair on Amazon. They give you the hair facts on the back of the box on how to maintenance this hair. Okay, and they also give you lashes, a dome cap, and other directions on how you can reach them and other maintenance information. Okay, let's take the hair up out this packaging. I am actually super excited for this wig because I'm just tired of the lace and the glue and I'm just ready for something easy. You can see how luscious this hair is straight out of the packaging. They give you combs on the inside, actually 2 on one side, 2 on the other side, and then you flip it around. They give you 1 comb in the back and the adjustable straps. Okay, and I'll be right back. Hold it. And as you can see, I have my pattern to apply this wig. I did not fully braid my hair, but I did do my anchor braids, and then I put my hair in a little low bun in the back. It should be fine. And I'm ready. And it's really this easy to apply this wig. It's just this simple. So I put the combs into my 2 anchor braids, and you see I'm just adjusting her. And as you can see, this wig ain't going nowhere, sis. Nowhere. Period. And I'm just running my flat iron through this wig. And I did notice some things as I was flat ironing this wig. I'll let you guys know later on in this video. And now I'm just getting ready to do me a nice little middle part. It's really this simple, you guys. I'm just smoothing my hair right over. And it just looks very natural. You see I have excessive baby hairs. Don't mind that. I like my baby hairs. I'm gonna do a no baby hair look. I've done that a few times on my channel as well. And you can see also that the hair that I left out on the side in case the wind blows, it's looking, you know, good. Really natural, but you see if you pull it a little bit, it does lift. So now I'm just bumping my ends a little bit to give it a nice little sleek look. It really looks like I went ahead and got a doobie. But let me tell you guys, as I was flat ironing this hair, it was acting as if it did not want to get straight. Just like right now, it's acting like it does not want to give me a bump. But as you can see, it is very manageable. You guys, this is the final look. Mad cute. You can't tell me this is not my real hair. Let me turn around, show you guys the back. I hope it's looking okay back there. You guys can also see that this can be an option as well. You can wear a headband with your wig. I apologize about this video being all over the place, you guys. Let's go ahead and get into the specs of this hair. As you can see, it blends very well with my natural hair. It is priced at $89. If you are interested in purchasing this wig, I will link everything down below so that you can purchase. But also, you guys, I am here to announce the giveaway winner. I want to thank you guys so much for participating in this giveaway. I believe there was a total of 10 girls that participated in this giveaway. However, only 4 of them followed the rules correctly. This time right here, I apologize. There was no sound and I was talking, but you can see that there were no clips taken out as I chose the giveaway winner. It was chosen by random, as you can see. But big congratulations to Erica. I want to thank you for supporting me and participating in this giveaway, because girl, you just won a wig for a Zola. I will be contacting you very shortly on how I can send you over this wig. And guys, remember that I will be having a hair giveaway every freaking week, okay? So if you do not win the giveaway this week, I'm gonna have one next week. And actually, I was supposed to have one right now, but I actually like this wig and I want to keep her. So I'll be keeping her, but I want you guys to turn your bell notifications on so that you are notified of my next upload, because that hair review will be me giving it away. Okay. I want to thank you guys so freaking much for watching and checking your girl out. So let me take these glasses off. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.